We're back on another YourTechReport video. If you remember last time, Gloria sent us the configuration tool for the GMMK 3 series of keyboards with 1 billion options, and we designed one for Zachary. I actually went on to design my own afterwards, and right now we're gonna actually unbox them because guess what? Here's my keyboard from Gloria's, my nice big box here. No idea if this is assembled, if I have to put this together, and then there's yours. Let me see yours here, throw that up to the camera. There we go. So let's take a look and adjust the microphone here a little bit. What do you want to start with? Because there's other boxes here too, and I don't know what really comes in them. So
maybe we should check the other boxes to see what's in there.
So this is the box that came with mine, and there are keycaps, clear keycaps, but it looks like not everything's in here. So I have a feeling that these keyboards are actually fully assembled and ready to go, which is going to be pretty cool. So we put that away here.
Okay, and then let's see what's in that one.
I know, we're gonna check this box right here now. So this is another glorious box here.
Maybe that's the cable?
Maybe, oh, I don't know. I don't know what's in here. Oh, paper, I like this.
I like paper.
Let's see what's in here. In here we have...
I'm feeling it's the cable.
Ah, the cable. The red power cable, which is pretty cool. I got that cab right here. So let's take the cable, put that box away here, and we're gonna throw this on the floor. You don't need to see it, do you? We're gonna pop the cable out of the box, and it's ready to go. Now, this cable is really cool because you got the coiled end here, the USB-C on one side as well, which is pretty cool. I'll show it to this camera here. USB-C over here, and it's got this really cool kind of 4 or 5 pin adapter, so you can literally kind of connect it in and out, and they kind of screw in together, which is pretty neat. If you look at it, you can kind of zoom in there.
Do we show them?
Do we show them what?
How to do it?
I can show them how to do it if you want me to show them how to do it.
Yeah.
Why are you asking me? Just talk to the camera. Talk to them, not me.
Hi. So let's show you how the cable works in the first place.
Okay, so
first we have to undo the plastic wrap on this end.
Okay. So we have one side is USB Type A. USB Type A over here, which is pretty cool.
And it's gold, so it goes into the... That's the cable that goes into...
the computer.
Yeah.
Okay. And then it's like this barrel connector thing here, which is pretty cool.
The cables work the same as the last generation.
Okay, so...
They're just longer.
Well, hold it up to the camera when you do that. Show it how it connects.
Plug it in.
Yeah.
And
then it locks into place.
Then you have to get this on properly, and then you spin it, and you spin it, and you spin it, and then...
And I chose the red cable here, and you can see here, I'll hold it up to the other camera here. I chose the red cable here, and it literally... It's like a barrel connector, I think they call this, right? So... both sides, so literally just pop it into place, fits only one way, and then it screws in to lock it into place. So literally you're always going to have a pretty stable connection there. If I could screw this better and straight, then we'd be better off. There we go. I got it all straightened out here. So I'll put the cable aside for a second, and I'm going to open mine. Now we didn't configure mine on camera, so this is like a big reveal. Honestly don't even remember what I actually ordered. Why? Don't stop looking there. Look there. At the camera. There we go. Okay, so here we go. This is my glorious keyboard. Designed by me, made by Gloria's. Look at that. Check this out. I love this. This is my first real gaming keyboard, Zach. So, Mark Aflalo, made by McKay. So actually, that's really cool. It's like customized. And guess what? Little welcome card here. We're thrilled to have you as part of our GMMK 3 launch on Tuesday, September 10th. You're watching that now. We'll unveil the world's most customizable gaming keyboard, offering gamers complete control over every aspect of their experience with over 1 billion possible combinations. Stay glorious. Thanks, guys. That's really cool. Okay. This is heavy, by the way. This is not a light experience. I'm going to take that out for a second before I show the keyboard. Inside the box, we've got some cool stuff like a QR code and things that go along, a little sticker, Stay Glorious sticker. I'm guessing this comes with every single one of them. And again, it was customized for me, which is pretty neat. So
is there anything else in the box?
No, that's it for now. Let's pop the box to the side for a second. And let's do... Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, that's nice.
Number one, this must weigh, I'm gonna say easily like 10, 15 pounds. This is insane. So I did the metal chassis with the aluminum outside, the clear buttons, the Hall effect. It's nice and soft. The reason I went soft, when I'm doing audio production and video stuff and I'm on camera, I don't want to hear all the clicking, but it feels really cool. Let's show it to this camera over here too.
Oh
So
my
people
god, that's
can-
really quiet.
Isn't that quiet? Isn't that cool? Check this keyboard out. Isn't that neat?
Where's the dongle though? Where's the dongle?
What dongle?
It's wireless.
Good point. I have no idea. So there's a Mac and a PC option on the back here. There's some other buttons here. Obviously, got to figure out what
Those
they
are
are.
profiles, probably.
Profiles, and then there's the USB-C connector. I'll show you over there. So that's what's on the back there. And I went with a black Glorious badge on the top over there. Black Glorious badge, and the lime green. I'm sure it's called something different. Knob as well.
Volt line.
Volt line. That's so cool. Oh my god. This is gonna be like. This is amazing. Aha! I love this. This is so cool. This is great. I'm very excited for this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Okay, we're gonna plug it in after because obviously there's RGB and stuff to take a look at as well. So we'll find a USB port somewhere to plug it in and check it out. You ready for yours? Mm-hmm. Okay. So you got some stuff too. So we know that in your boxes, because you have different keys and caps, Pixel Punk. I mean, obviously there's keycaps in here. There's spares. There's leftovers. The things that it comes with, obviously, a tool to take the actual keys off if you want.
These are customizable keycaps, so you can change them.
Customizable keycaps, so you can change them. That's so cool.
Then
I love
spares.
this. And spares. Show it to the camera there. And spares as well. This is really
And
cool.
then in this box, we have, if I could open it, that would be lovely,
Your cable.
the my cable.
The my cable?
The my cable.
Okay.
Doesn't look as gold as it was on the website, but
I think it matches the kind of, Pixel Punk kind of cover over here. Okay, so this works the same way. It's the same kind of keyboard, right? In terms of, same kind of cable. You take the plastic off. You got the barrel locking over here. This is so cool. I've never had my own custom keyboard. Like I've tested a lot of keyboards. A lot of companies send keyboards to play
you
with.
also got me one.
And I got you one, but I've never done one for myself. I'm really excited to kind of play with this. So let me take this
Let's
out of the way for a second here.
let's tie the cable.
You're gonna have to connect the cable, you mean?
Yeah, tie.
Box
connect.
out of the way. I wonder who actually put yours together. Maybe it's mine was McKay. Maybe it's McKay. Thanks, McKay, by the way. I appreciate you taking the time to put my keyboard together. Okay, ready for this? Mm-hmm. That camera's out. Oh, it's my name, Marco Flalo. It's my keyboard. Sorry, you gotta go. Okay.
No.
So same welcome card. Awesome. Thank you guys for that. That's really cool.
I'm guessing in here is probably a dongle or something.
Oh, well, we'll check that after. I'm not worried about that. How heavy is yours?
It's pretty heavy.
Okay, let me put the box away for a second here so we can demonstrate what's going on here. Oh my god. And this is the one that we just designed in our last video. If you didn't see that video about the configuration tool, you want to check that out because billions of options, that's not an understatement. They actually did the math. And when you consider that you can customize everything, this is pretty insane. And by the way, can I show it up to the camera here? So this is yours. This is Zachary's keyboard that we designed before. Same back in terms of design, nice metal, aluminum frame. He's got the gray keycaps over there. Check that out. That's super cool.
And it's 4 windows.
And yours is 4 windows, so it's ready to go. That's so cool. And we'll show it to the overhead camera. Now, of course, with the RGB and stuff like that, we're gonna see things glowing through this.
Maybe.
And the customization tool, like they have their own software that allows you to customize these keyboards. So you can do macros, you can actually customize the Hall effect, which if you don't know what Hall effect is, guys, because I know you may have not watched the last video, go check that last video. Hall effect is a new way for the key you actually can determine exact point when you push that key down that it makes the contact and actually sends that command to the actual key. In gaming, that's insane because the response time is super fast and you can customize each key differently thanks to their customization tool. What else can you do with the customization tool?
You can change the RGB, you can customize the knob, you can customize keys, you can create macros.
Cool. That is so cool. So there you go. There's Zach's keyboard. I mean, the incredible, cool color. I love the design. You've got the Windows version. I got the Mac version. Again, I think that's just keycap that changes, right?
Yeah.
Because that's
they come with the both.
Oh, so if I want to switch to a Windows PC, I can do that as well.
Yeah.
I love it. This is so cool. Awesome. So we're going to plug these in. We're going to get playing with them. I'm curious to test the Hall effect and see how things are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't catch the first video with us configuring these keyboards to actually get delivered and ordered, then do check that out. I'll put a link up in the description, down in the description, or up on the screen now, and you can check that out. In the meantime, we're gonna go plug these in, we're gonna play with them for a couple days, and we're gonna come back and do another video for you and talk about things like Hall Effect and the configuration tool and all that stuff that goes along with it. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell, and we'll be back on another Your Tech Report video. Thanks, Zach.
You're welcome.